This video will quickly show you Llama Chat, a demonstration application from Visionnaire with all the power of Meta's Llama model. With this tool, you can have advanced conversations, conduct research, and generate content. You can access it on the Visionnaire website in the AI Cases section. See how simple it is. All you have to do is type your question and your interests in this text field at the bottom of the page. If you don't know what to ask, you can click on these suggestions here, then just wait for the answers. Note that you can continue asking, just like in a real conversation. All your conversations are stored in your history, and you can resume any of them from where you left off. Llama Chat can also be used in dark mode. Just click on this button to choose your viewing preference. Llama Chat is another example of how Visionnaire masters artificial intelligence technologies. In this case, in addition to the Llama model, Supabase was also used as a database. Contact us to discuss the best solutions that use AI to modernize your business.